Hello, this is Farm Model Maniac, and welcome to a model review of the USK Mchale Fusion 3 Collector's Edition. So, everybody wants one of these, come on, who doesn't? They're really hard to get if you want to buy one, because most dealers, you can only buy them off a licensed Mchale dealer, and not all Mchale dealers have them, so they sell out very quickly. So, we'll start here at the front with the PTO shaft. This doesn't extend or attach to anything. You have your hydraulic lines. You have your platform here for holding the net and changing the net. You have a stand that folds up when you put it on the tractor. You have your pickup reel, and this here, the leveler, moves up and down. The pickup itself moves up and down. Not an awful lot, but it does go up and down. And you have a little click when it goes up. So we'll go over to this side. This side, all the panels open up, so that opens up and you reveal some wrap. You open up the front one here, the back one I mean. And this is for changing the wrap in the Baler, in the orbital wrap. So close them down. And this is a very functional model. As you see, we have all the lifters, panels, but you know, if you have a Universal Hobbies model, the Baler doesn't function. This actually functions. You know? So let's go and look at the back here. So it kind of spits the Baler out and it lifts up. You see here now. Let's put it into the light. So it goes up. It kind of, you see that now? Kind of spits it out, pushes it out. Then it'll roll out into the wrapper. Here in the rear end. This will go down to release the wrap bale. As you can see, it will go down very far. Very, very far. Like they do in real life. And the bale will pop out. Come over to this side. And you'll have your panel, which opens up to reveal the wrapper. Then you have this panel to reveal more wrap and net, probably. So, this is probably the best model you can probably buy in the market at the moment. One of the best. It's the only good Baler, really. Come on, good round Baler anyway. There's loads of good square Balers, I must say, but for round Balers, this is probably the best one. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.